Welcome back to my channel. My name is Miranda, and today we are going to be making the 2-ingredient bagels using the yogurt and self-rising flour. If you don't have self-rising flour, you can use all-purpose flour, and we'll just add some baking powder and salt. So let's get into making these. Step 1, you're going to go ahead and preheat your oven to 350 degrees. In your bowl, you're going to add 1 cup of flour, which is 120 grams. Add 2 teaspoons of baking powder, 3/4 of a teaspoon of salt. Mix. Add 1 cup of non-fat Greek yogurt. Now go ahead and mix the flour and the yogurt together pretty well. Lightly sprinkle your countertop with some flour. Add the dough on top of the flour and then just go ahead and start kneading it until it starts to form a ball. It'll take about 3 minutes. Divide the dough into 4 equal parts. Taking one of the balls, I like to actually roll it around and then poke a hole into the middle and then spread it out into a bagel. You can also take one of the balls and then roll it out into like a rope and then connect the 2 ends to form the bagel. Place the bagels on a baking sheet and then you're going to do an egg white wash on top. I sprinkled mine with some sesame seeds. You can also sprinkle with everything but the bagel seasoning. Place in the oven and bake for about 20 to 22 minutes. Okay, they are all done now. One of my favorite ways to use these bagels is for a breakfast bagel. So add like an egg, some sausage or bacon and cheese, and it makes like the perfect easy breakfast. But the full recipe and macros will be in the description below. If you're not subscribed yet, make sure you're subscribed, give me a thumbs up, comment below, and then join me for another recipe.